if you ask anything in my name, I will do it. John chapter 14 verses 14. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today really exciting. I am going out from the kitchen because I have my co-in-law here, Mr. Tweneboah, who is ready to show us how he makes his super delicious and amazing Ghanaian fried rice. Please stay tuned while he shows us how to make this deliciousness. You're going to love it.
Today is my turn to cook a delicious food for the whole family. In the kitchen of Lovystouch, and today we are going to prepare fried rice with shrimps, and I will be the chef for today.
Yay!
And now I have all the ingredients here. I have the rice, the vegetables, the shrimp, and some ginger here with the sauce, as you can see here, and some egg. Soya here. And I have my oil here. So right now we will start with the oil and fry the eggs. A little bit of oil in the frying pan. The frying pan. Mixing it.
Too much, Nancy.
Now our egg is ready
Very good.
in the plate.
Looks delicious.
Wow. I can't wait to taste it. Oil in the frying pan again. Garlic. Wow, this one.
So that's the chicken stock.
Yeah, that's the chicken stock.
Alright.
Then we add some shrimps.
Yummy.
But he was getting close to there.
We leave it for a while to finish cooking a little. Our vegetables to the shrimps and the chicken sauce. So we'll add all the vegetables to it and leave it to cook for maybe 2 minutes. The vegetables, and see if the spices are okay for the sauce. Vegetables is ready, so it's time for us to fry the rice. So we will put the vegetables in the plate here. Wow,
Looks good.
looks good. This is chek. Yes, in Ghana, so we gave fried rice to the name chek. Not that much
It's okay.
of the ginger, the grind ginger and onions. Add the rice. Now we will add our soya sauce. Wow, the aroma is disturbing the next door neighbors. And just to give it the color and the flavor. Yeah, now we can see that.
Please. That is juicy.
Yeah. Add some little bit of sauce. As you can see, The best ever fried rice made in the kitchen of Lovystouch. Way of completion. And the neighbors are wondering if they will be invited. The last ingredient, just to give it the flavor. Now our fried rice is ready. We put it in the nice bowl. Wow. Wow.
Yum.
Now we finish.
Yes, now we are done. Everything was set and we did our table settings right at the balcony. Just look at this. It was simply amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give it a try. Especially to my big men out here, please give this a try and surprise your wifeys, your sisters, your mom. They're going to absolutely have an unforgettable day. So thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end, and a very big thank you to my co-in-law, Mr Tweneboah, for honoring us with this sumptuous fried rice recipe. Do not forget to give him a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen-related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for more amazing recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.